Based on our inspection this afternoon, based on our search, kasama namin yung mga NBI agents, hindi naman siya ganun matagal siguro. It took us 1 hour. To be honest, wala kaming sa amin na agency, wala kaming nakuhang info. So para maklaro lang talaga yan, pinasok na namin para maklaro kung andyan ba talaga o wala. Ang Kingdom lang ang pinasok namin, pati yung may mga banks doon, no? May mga residents na marami din, mga quarters, pinasok namin. So far, wala kami nakita. The KOJC personnel, as well as dito yung mga lawyers nila, pinapasok naman tayo. Lastly, I would like to emphasize that we serve the warrant of arrest in a very peaceful and orderly manner.
Well, this proves that the KOJC is very cooperative. The search was done in a very peaceful, orderly manner. And we hope and pray that the PNP will take notice of the search being conducted this afternoon, that it was conducted properly by elements of and agents of the National Bureau of Investigation. Hindi kailangan na magdala ka ng maraming armas dito kung makipag-cooperate po sila sa amin. No? Wala namang problema yon if they will properly cooperate with us. No need to show force. No need to bring Armalites, no need to bring a lot of helicopters, and no need to use drones and other armaments po. The KOJC is always cooperative if done pursuant to the rules of court and if done properly.